प्रे करते हैं नॉर्मली हम क्या करते हैं? We ask. Whenever we go to God and we ask for, when we pray, हम क्या करते हैं? अरे ये देना, वो देना, वो देना. You give him 10 रुपए का नारियल and ask for 10,000 का ऑर्डर और 1 लाख का ऑर्डर, right? How many of you with me? How many of you with me? Right? So what this book says is, no, God has given you so many things, right? So whenever you pray, the prayer should be of gratitude, of thanksgiving, not for asking. Don't be a beggar in front of God who has given you so much. Okay? When you pray, you see that you thank Him for whatever you have. Even out of 10 things, even if you have 5 things nahi mila hai, focus on what is there, not on what you don't have. Okay? That's, I will pray for guidance, where I can make a contribution to people, as Tejraj rightly said, and I'll pray as a salesman. As a salesman, you always go to your customer for what? No. No. You provide solution. You are, as a salesman, a real good salesman, will be going there to relieve some problem, to give him a solution. अगर आप उसको पैसा के लिए जाओगे ना, you will never be successful. You will immediately come to know, boss, ये मेरे पास सिर्फ. But if you go to him as a salesperson, is a provider of solution, is a problem solver. He is there to give something and come. And when he goes with that type of a intention, paisa to aayega hi. That's a byproduct. That's a byproduct. How many of you are with me? How many of you are with me? That's exactly what he says. I will pray as a salesman. Because as salesman, don't go there. Otherwise, you will become what? You become a vendor. You all should become like a consultants. That's what we are here for. Okay. So pray for guidance and pray as a salesman. Always come from giving, not from taking. When you give, you automatically get. Kabil bano, you become competent. People will come to you. How many of you agree with me? Right? So did you all understand this? Was it useful? Yes. Good. Turn to your partner and give him a high five. Say, you are a greatest salesman. You are a greatest salesman. Okay, good. Yeah, just it. Okay, now we are almost coming to the end of it. We are going to do 2 things, 2 small rituals. One is, we want to give you a certificate. Okay, certificate of participation has been made ready by my colleagues. Okay, and in the meanwhile, we will also want a small test, feedback. We are going to give you a feedback, because for everybody of us, feedback is important for us to know where we can do still better, and we also would like to acknowledge where we have done okay. So just please fill up the feedback and give your entire details so that we can be in communication with you. We keep on sending empowering articles, webinars and all we conduct, so we'll be in touch with you. So please fill up your form. By the time we'll keep your certificates ready, and then we can have a group photograph. Would you like to have a group photograph? Yes. Okay, so that it can be like a memento. We'll have a group photograph. I, as an author, always believed that whatever development I have had is because of reading books, and also always noting down and recapitulating whatever I read. So that's the reason why I wrote these 3 books: Unleash Your Potential, Jogging for Life Success from my basketball background as a international player, and being a customer centric again for corporates. Now, these are all books available in Amazon. This cost $495, $295, $295. But for my participants, we always give them a good scheme. Okay, the total comes to around 1,100 rupees, 1,150. Now, for our participants, only for today, and that too, I think we have got only about 15-20 set of copies. We are going to offer you at a very, very competitive price. All the 3 books you will get for 600 rupees, just 600 rupees. But we have got about 15-20 sets. So whosoever is interested can go to this counter and pick up your set of copies. I'll also ensure that I'll be able to autograph and give it to you. Okay. So these are 3 books which I wanted to share about. Okay. Next is important. Okay. After you have finished this, आपके यहाँ पर एक certificate रखा हुआ है. Okay. After you finish this, what you do is you take it out. Okay. You will see a name of a person. Okay. You will go and meet him, and you on behalf of me will go and give him hand over the certificate. and give him a nice hug. Okay, give him a hug and hand it over to them. Okay, please do it right now. Yeah, yeah.
We'll have two programs, one still and one dynamic. Okay. Yes, smile. Whoosh. 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 Smile. Raj.
Next I have a photo again.
वीडियो ले रहा है वो झूठ बोला
I know a photograph. And the shot.
Hi, I'm Raju Adimulam from Rafaga HR Solutions, and we deal in recruitment, payroll and compliance. I've had the privilege of attending this excellent session on sales and marketing by Mr. Arunagiri. Though we covered a number of topics, the one that moved me was to eliminate fear from sales. And so we have truly become a sales commando today. So love your spirit and God bless. Thank you.
Hi, this is Rajeshri from Priory. We are into website designing since last 15 long years. It was a pleasure, it was an opportunity discovered with today's Insights of Sales and Marketing by Arunagiri Mudaliar sir. It was an amazing concept. Few things which we absolutely didn't know we came to know today. Two most important takeaways from today's workshop for me were the solution burger and the nurturing profitable customer to increase your business all the more. I wish everyone, I rather recommend everyone to attend this workshop at least once at the earliest. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Neerav Somaiya. I've just had a wonderful experience completing the Sales and Marketing Techniques program with Mr. Arunagiri Mudaliar. And I've got to say this, his enthusiastic and energetic style, his practical presentation tips, his ability to bring alive the entire matter really gave us a wonderful experience. I'm taking away two things from this workshop. One is very actionable tips on high value sales, and B, I have learned about my own business certain differentiators which I had not thought of so far. To be able to have a complete understanding of my differentiators and how to put them through to make an effective sales pitch is something that I've missed out so far, and I'm taking it back. I'm sure I would recommend all of my sales team to be able to come forward for this workshop and make the most of it. I thank you. I thank him for everything that he's given us today. I'm sure an area of high value selling like real estate can do with the kind of tips that we have got today. Thank you, Mr. Mudaliar.
Hi, my name is Sandeep Dikshit. My company's name is Blue Skies Design Studios. Today I attended this seminar about how to improve your sales and efficiently do your sales. And it was an amazing training. We started in 9 in the morning and now it is almost 7 o'clock in the evening. But we didn't even look at the watch. The training was amazing, basically, and it was all the tips how to increase your sales, how to service your customers, how to gain profitable customers. So everything was too good. So I have taken a lot of notes, and this is an amazing seminar. and workshop by Mr. Arunagiri, and I'm looking forward to do all the trainings, whatever is offering over a period of time. So I'm very much excited. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Urvesh Umrigar. I am from Urmek Printers, and today we have attended Arunagiri's workshop, Deep Insight into Sales and Marketing, and we have got amazing tips from him. And my basic three things which I am going to take from here is what is business, okay, that is the profitable customer, and second, retaining the profitable customer, and third thing is nurturing the profitable customer. And second thing which I am going to take from here is what are your avenues and what you can do in your business. So that is the second take. And third thing is the solution burger, which I could take out at least 15 points, which is very, very important, and my USP also, so that I can get more and more profitable clients. And last but not the least, the big sharks I'm going to try and get those profitable clients for me. I thank Arunagiri for a wonderful workshop. We enjoyed thoroughly whole day, and it's 7 o'clock in the evening, and I really, really enjoyed this workshop. Thank you so much, Mr. Arunagiri. Thank you.
Hello, good evening. My name is Jatin Chonkar. I'm into photography. My company name is Jatin Photography. Well, today's session was really good and very interactive session by Arunagiri. I really thank Arunagiri to conducting this. After doing this workshop, I'm really more confident about my sales, and I'm sure I'm going to 100% increase, few of more customers within a week. It was a really, and it has really, break the ice, and I've gained more confidence in me. My fear is gone. I'm more composed and confident to go in the market. Thank you, Arunagiri, for such a wonderful workshop. Thank you very much.
I'm Tejraj Bafna, and we are into corporate gifting business from last 10 years. Today's session was about sales and marketing deep insights. I was invited by Arunagiri that just come and visit the seminar, it will be worthwhile. You won't imagine 2 or 3 friends I shared that let's go to the seminar, but they said no, it's a waste of time. I came personally and I really enjoyed the session. Arunagiri was so energetic, enthusiastic, superb coach. We learned a lot. Fail. That is first attempt in learning. No. Next opportunity. Advantage of a burger. Fabulous it was. The overall session, I don't know how the time went away. Wonderful it was. I learned a lot. I'm taking back the money's value. Thank you, Arunagiri sir, for inviting me. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Maya Daswani, and I run a personality image management company called Persona Power. I teach a lot of confidence skills, body language, etc. But I don't sell myself. I just didn't know how to. People find me, so I get the opportunities to train at colleges, corporates, and private trainings. But to sell myself was a scary thing. To go approach people, to speak up, to be fearless, to sell myself. I've seen many seminar names about sales, etc. But this particular one, which entered my email box a few days ago, this one somehow attracted me. I checked a little further, and something made me come here for this sales and marketing training. And I realized that, yes, these are problems that Mr. Arunagiri has handled. The fear factor, mentioning more of the benefits that people get. I always used to speak about my features, but now I've learned that they must know the advantages and most of all the benefits that people get by training. So you're not actually selling yourself, you're selling them to something very empowering. Thank you, Mr. Arunagiri, for enlightening me. There's a whole change in concept. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Chandru Daswani, and I've attended Arunagiri's seminar today. Was a really wonderful experience.